Hi and welcome to our demonstration of this pre-release version of Collecto. Today I am going to create a database for a vehicle leasing company. So here on our blank canvas, the first thing I'm going to do is to give our collection a name. Okay, and on our card here, this is where I'm going to start adding the attributes for the vehicles and their data. So the first attribute for a vehicle is going to be its make, and we need to choose a data type. So we've got 5 here. We've got text, date, image, file attachment, and number. So for the make, it's just going to be plain text. I'm going to add a Nissan X-Trail. So that's the make. The second property will be its model. I want to add the number of doors. Now this property is going to be a number. We'll give it a date of when its next maintenance is due. Obviously that's going to be a date field. And finally I want to give the vehicle a photo, which will be an image. And then I'm just going to drag the image from my desktop onto the card and click Save Item to write it to the database. Okay, now I'm going to add a Toyota Yaris. Some date in the future. I need to give this one a date as well. Upload the file. Save that. Okay, so now I've got 2 items written to my collection or database, both with the same attributes but both with different data. So now what I want to do is actually make some changes to the way that the data is displayed. So first of all, I want to move my photo to the top of the card, just like that. And I decide I want to rename the doors attribute to passengers. You can see that's updating on both cards. And then I also decide that I want to add another attribute called color. This one is black. This one is red. As you can see, anything you do on a card will reflect on all the other cards. Okay, so I'm just going to go and load a collection with some more vehicles that I created earlier. This one's got 9 vehicles. So what we can do now is actually start to display the data in different ways. So we can order the cards according to their attributes. So let's say, for example, I wanted to view the cars according to when their next date of maintenance is due. So from the select list, I'll select the attribute next maintenance from lowest to highest. And there I can see the next vehicle due for maintenance is the Nissan Dualis, due 13 June. Or I might want to view the vehicles according to their make from A to Z. So we have BMW, Hyundai, Nissan, etc. Or I might just actually like to do a quick filter and have a look for what are my Hyundai vehicles. So I've got 2 there. Or my Porsche. Or I might just like to have a look at what are my red coloured cars. I've got 2 there. And if I just delete that, that takes us back to all our cards. So that's an example of what is possible with Collecto. Would love to get your feedback, and if you would like to be notified of the launch date, please visit collecto.io and leave your email address, and we'll let you know as soon as we're ready to release it to the public. Thanks for watching.